Dear children, welcome to online class once again. Today's class is Standard 6 Standard Prose part lesson number 3 Galileo. Prose part lesson number 3 Galileo. First of all, I want to ask you some questions, children, as a part of pre-reading task. Name some heavenly bodies. Heavenly bodies, example, stars, planets, asteroids, etc. Okay. Next, what is astronomy? Astronomy is the science of stars, planets and universe. Understood, children? Name an Indian astronomer. A famous astronomer. Aryabhatta is a famous Indian astronomer. Next, what is planetarium? This is one in Karnataka. Where is it? There is one in Karnataka. Where is it? I will give answer. A planetarium is a building in which images of stars, planets and constellations are projected on a domed ceiling. There is one in Karnataka now. Where is it? It is in Bangalore, namely Jawaharlal Nehru Planetarium. Okay then. Next, what instrument do astronomers use? Astronomers will use telescope to for their invention. Okay children, we will get into the lesson now. I will read out the lesson lines for you. Listen carefully and understand the explanation at the same time. Galileo. It is common knowledge today that the earth is a planet revolving round the sun. But there was a time not many centuries ago when even learned men believed that the earth was fixed in space and the sun and all other heavenly bodies went around it. We know that we came to know that it is common knowledge today that the earth is planet. Everyone knows and it revolves around the sun. But in the earlier period, what the people used to think, the earth is fixed in the particular space and the sun and all other heavenly bodies went around it. The man who first brought to light the facts them was a great scientist, the astronomer called Galileo. Who is Galileo? Galileo is a famous astronomer. Galileo Galilei. His full name was Galileo Galilei. Okay children? Galileo Galilei. Okay. He was born in the year 1564 in the Italian town of Pisa. Where did he born? He was born in the year 1564 in the Italian town of Pisa, place called Pisa. In the year 1608, a man called Lippershey, a native of Holland, invented the telescope. Before him already this fellow invented the telescope. Who is that man? Lippershey. Lippershey, a native of Holland. Before him, he invented the instrument with which astronomers watch the skies. The telescope makes distant objects appear to be near and magnified several times over. What is telescope? Telescope is an instrument that through by which we can see the far objects nearer, several times nearer. Telescope. When Galileo heard about the invention, he became greatly interested in it. When Galileo heard about this, he got very interested about this matter. He had at this time begun to study astronomy and he saw that the invention would be a wonderful aid to the astronomer. Astronomy means, what is astronomy children? Astronomy is study of heavenly bodies. Astronomy. A study of science. Who studies heavenly bodies? Study of heavenly bodies. Okay? In the year when Galileo heard about the invention, he became greatly interested in it. He had at this time begun the study of astronomy, and he saw that the invention would be a wonderful aid to the astronomer. He set to work on making a telescope for himself and very soon succeeded. On that, he used to work on that and he got success in that also, and he had invented telescope. Succeeded in making one which was better than the one Lippershey had made. By hearing this, again he want to invent some more advanced telescope. So he got succeed in that, and he had invented the which best one than the Lippershey had made before this. Okay, Galileo's telescope was the first that was ever turned towards the stars. His telescope which he invented, now that telescope was the first. Before no instrument can turn towards the stars. This is the first instrument. Looking through it, he saw 100 times as many stars as he could see with the unaided eyes. Okay, children, they can see 100 times nearer. He looked at the Milky Way, the broad white band of high seen across. What is Milky Way? Milky Way. A broad band of white bands. White bands of light seen in the sky. Okay, which contains at night, and found that it contained millions and millions of faint stars. He turned the telescope on the moon, and what he saw filled him with amazement. When he turned that telescope towards the sun and the stars, he got a very wonderful scene there. Whatever which makes him to get some amusement. On the moon surface, which seems so smooth. How was the moon surface? It was so smooth, it seems. He saw high mountains and deep valleys like those on the earth. He found high mountains and deep valleys on the earth. Greatly excited by these discoveries, Galileo carried his telescope to Venice and showed it to the learned men of the city. After that, after invented, he took that to the city of Venice, showed it to the learned people. Some expert people will be there, no? You want to show that the instrument to those people. The people of Venice crowded at his house to have a look at the looking tube. It means telescope means looking tube here. So people were so excited to see that invention. They took it to the top of high building and looked through it. At the ships out in the sea, they saw ships 50 miles away appearing to be only 15 miles off. See, so wonderful. No? It is a brilliant thing that it shows objects to nearer. When the ruler of Venice was shown the instrument, he was greatly pleased with him. When the ruler of Venice saw this instrument, he was very much pleased with his invention and appointed Galileo professor for the life at the University of Padua. So he has been appointed as a professor in the University of Padua. The first telescope that Galileo made magnified objects 3 times their size. Later he made one that magnified them 8 times. But he went on working on larger and larger ones. Once he discovered, he did not stop his inventions. He used to went on to discover some new things until he made a telescope which brought objects 30 times nearer. Again, as a result of his invention and hard work, he had invented the telescope which is which we can see, through by which we can see objects 30 times nearer. With the aid of this telescope, he made important discoveries about the heavenly bodies. With the invention of this telescope, advanced telescope, he had made discoveries about the heavenly bodies. He found that the planet Jupiter had little moons that revolved around. He found that the sun had spots upon it and that the spots slowly moved across its face. These all things he had invented. He found from that the sun, like the earth, spins round itself. Again he found that he had discovered that the sun, like the earth, spins around itself only. Some 50 years earlier, a Polish astronomer called Copernicus had declared that the earth was a planet like the other planets and that then it revolved around the sun. Some 50 years back, a Polish astronomer, what is his name? Copernicus. Copernicus is a astronomer from Polish. Copernicus. A Polish astronomer. Okay. He said that the earth was a planet like the other planets and that like them it revolved around the sun. Copernicus could not, however, prove this to men of his day and few people paid any great attention to his ideas. But he could not get any fame because of his invention and later he may passed away, so that idea did not work out. Galileo was the first great student of astronomy to realize that the ideas of Copernicus were true. After Galileo was he was a great student and he had such a great ideas that Copernicus was what he invented, he said that is true. And the first scholar to begin to teach them at the university. These all things he used to teach in university, where he appointed as a professor, Padua University. He used to teach all these things in the university. His new teaching caused great excitement among the learned men. Learned men, experts, all have agreed and they have appreciated also. Because it meant that all their own teaching was completely wrong, they began to oppose him and many of them became his enemies. Then he got into trouble with the church. Even church people were there, they are not ready to agree, and in that context he has to face some enemies also. Enmity he has to maintain. His ideas about the sun and the earth were different from what the Bible seemed to say. What we are finding in the Bible sayings, some things are opposed to the Bible sayings. So people were got angry and they are supposed to oppose his teachings, ideas. His ideas about the sun and the earth were different from the Bible seems to say. So the followers of the church began to look upon him as a wicked and dangerous man. Wicked means one man is dangerous to the society. Like that he used to treat. The church had in those days a court called the Inquisition. Inquisition means Inquisition. Inquisition. A court the church court. The court related to the church, which tried and punished those that they considered unbelievers. Those people were not believing his ideas, so the court used to the court has been punished them. Galileo was asked to appear before this court. He was questioned about his beliefs and was offered to kneel and declare that he no longer believed that the earth moved around the sun. Because of this, he used to bring to the court, and he has to face some consequences. He might be put in prison and perhaps tortured. What the court has decided, he might be caught to prison and tortured like anything. As he feared torture, Galileo obeyed their orders. There is a story that as he rose from his knees after his public declaration, he whispered to himself, but still it does move. The court ordered Galileo not to teach his wicked ideas anymore. After all these consequences, the court has been warned him that not to come out with his own ideas anymore. But Galileo did not obey the church's order for long. He continued his studies and after a time started teaching his ideas again. But Galileo did not give up his spirit. After some days, people forgot and everything has become normal. After that again, he had continued with his work. He did not obey the church orders for long. He continued his studies and after a long time started teaching his ideas again and again. Besides, he wrote a book in which he criticized the old beliefs. He wrote a book also at the same time and he wrote about some blind beliefs also. When the book came out, the Inquisition once again ordered him to appear before it to be and tried as a non-believer. Once the book was published, again he has been brought back to the Inquisition, where the church people want to enquire him. After a long trial, he was sent to prison, but as he was now an old man, he was allowed to go home 22 days later. So, at the time again he bring back and he was being caught to prison. As he was an old man, he cannot be able to keep in the prison. So, after 22 days again he was released from the court and he went back on his inventions. Okay children, I think you all understood this lesson and you are up to till now what all the portion have been completed. You have been able to thorough with that and copy the notes. Don't waste the time. Thank you.